What up? I'm working on a factory builder game, and today, you see this little cube? We're gonna go inside the cube and then be able to make a factory on the inside here. But right now things are kind of broken, so I'm working on a sub kind of dimension system that we can use to have, you know, a bunch of different dimensions in the game. So you can see, like, now that we're on the inside, we're, you know, technically in a new dimension right now, but there's a lot of stuff from the overworld kind of shining through. Like, there's collisions, there's, you know, I can still interact with a bunch of entities and stuff. So I think first order of business today is fixing that and making it so that we are actually in a new world, and all the edge cases are kind of gone. We are on day 131 of development on Terrafactor. We are sitting at around about 1,371 wish lists on the yellow Steam page. And yeah, let's get stuck into it. Another day. I got a half drunk iced mocha today. It's a cube dimension thingy inspired from that one Minecraft mod where you have mini pocket dimensions and cubes of great machines. Yes, 100% yoinked. What was that mod called? Compact Machines. Yeah, that's it, dude. I never actually properly played with it, but I came across the idea in a mod pack. I think I was playing All the Mods 10 a while back. I was like, oh shit, man, that's a pretty cool idea, bro. There's gonna be so many edge cases, dude. Like, let's go along the conveyors here. We'll just knock them out piece by piece. Not gonna lie, today has not been a good day so far. The LSP was being really slow, so I spent a good few hours trying to fix it. I also baby raged and tried getting a NeoVim setup working. Then I like couldn't even get this working. And then rage quit. Like, what the fuck is happening right now, bro? Hello? What is this? Not the best day so far. Alright, I'm gonna go to the gym and reset, dude. Let's fucking get it. We're back. Reset. You know, hopefully things are working. Let's get this Tesseract done. So, I have collisions being disabled when we go into the world. The next thing I want to do, probably the tiles. This is using the overworld tiles, so we gotta swap in our own dimension tiles and we should be off to the races. Alright, we successfully have the void. We're in a different dimension, maybe. Oh yeah. Oh fuck, how do I get out? Oh no. What's cool about this is that I've made the dimension an enum. So at the start, you know, you could make some stuff like Nether, Aether, Twilight Forest. If you know, you know, dude. So we can have like physical named things that the player could like teleport to, but we've also got this idea of like a dynamic dimension, which just gets like constructed on the fly. And I've made it so that it's just like from the back of the enum of U32. So U32 max, take away whatever it is. So that way we can have a bunch of tiny little custom dimensions. Ladies and gents, we have a pocket dimension. I think the next thing I want to do the little void particle effect on the edge here. Make sure we collide with it. And then just have like a little exit on one of the tiles so that we can walk through to like get out the other side. And this is also really cool because I can essentially make entirely new like game modes and ways of playing the game in like other dimensions and kind of mess around with it. I don't know if I'll really do that, but it's a possibility. We have void edges and the little particle effect. I think the next thing I want to do is I want to make like a tiny little gap right in the middle here, one tile wide, and that's going to be like the entrance and exit on each of the different directions. Look at that, dude. That already looks clean. Oh, yeah, I like that. And now we just got to make it so that when we walk up to the edge, we go out the other side back into the main world. Fuck, that's clean, dude. What's going on over here? I'm so confused right now. The slime's in a different dimension? Okay. That right there is the V1 of the spatial box. Look at that. We're going in from the side. We really do be shrinking down into a cube right now, bro. Needs a little polish. There's a bit of visual jarriness, but hey, doing the trick, dude. That's V1. It's kind of cool thinking that we're inside a tiny cube right now in here. Well, tomorrow we're going to tackle actually placing stuff in here, making the factory work with the conveyor belts, and we should have a V1 kind of done of the entire system. We'll see. I'll see y'all later. Adios.